Everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then you can enter the Play Store. Another important thing is the Google account. So you will have to either sign in or log in, sign up, sorry. If you want to, simply check our tutorial of how to do it, because without it you will not be able to actually use the Play Store. So after that, tap on this circle, which is your account. Let's tap on it and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Let's tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of installed apps. We have to tap on Updates Available to be able to actually check the updates. As you can see, some of them are pending, so my device is trying to download them. However, let me explain. All you have to do is to mark the update you'd like to download. Of course, you can mark all of them, or 2 or 3, and then tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.